Hello, second graders. This is our math time. We are on lesson 8.4. We are in page 369. And our learning target is identify numbers that are 1, 10, or 100 more and less than a number. So if I model 253, remember we started using our square for 100. So I have two hundreds, then I have 50. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 ones. 2 hundreds, 5 tens, 3 ones. 253. Now, they're saying I want to do one more than 253. So if I have this, my 200 stays the same. My 5 tens stay the same. And one more, then I'm going to have one more circle. So instead of 253, I have 1, 2, 3 plus one more is 4. 254. All right. One less than 253. Again, my hundreds stay the same. My tens stay the same. 250, and then one less. I need to take one of those away. Now I have 252. See how that works? Now, 10 more than 253. So I'm dealing with the tens column now. My ones column stays the same. My hundreds stay the same. And I need to have 10 more. So I have 210 more. One more set of 10 would be 63. And the ones, of course, stay the same. Then 10 less than 253. My hundreds stay the same. My ones stay the same. 10 less, that means I have to take away one of my tens. So instead of 5 tens, I will have 4 tens. All right, 100 more than 253 is, then I'm going to add one more set of 100. So instead of 200s, I would have 300s. More than means I'm getting bigger. 53, that stays the same. And 100 less than 253. Well, here's 253. I need 100 less. I'm just going to cover up one of these hundreds. So now what do I have? I have 100, 5 tens, and 3 ones. All right? It's important to pay attention to more than, less than. More than is like plus. Less than is like subtract. 10 less than 253. All right, let's turn the page and go on to the examples here. All right, so 10 more than 247. I have 247. If I add one more set of 10, then I don't have 4, I have 5, 257. 10 less than 247 is, see, we crossed this one out and we don't have 4 anymore. Now we only have 3, 237. Okay, so you increase or decrease the digit in the tens place to find 10 more or 10 less. Increase or decrease the digit in the hundreds place to find 100 more or 100 less. So we have 247, that's our starting, right? It's all starting at 247. 247. If I increase by one more hundred, then I have 3 in the hundreds place, 4 tens, 7 ones, 347. If I decrease, then I now only have one set of 100. The 4 tens stay the same and the 7 ones stay the same. So now I only have 147. All right, let's keep going. 10 more than 452. 10 more than 452 is, all I have to do is make my tens place one number higher, 462. 10 less than 832, I have to make my tens place, tens less is going to be subtract. I'm sorry, I was going to show you this. If I say more than, I'm going to add. Less than, I'm going to take away. So 10 less than 813, I take away one set of 10, and I have 803. All right. So 100 less than 729 is, now less than, remember, is our taking away. Our hundreds place is here. So I have to take away one set of 100. What does that leave us? 629. See how I did that? One number, one digit less. 100 more than 386. So more is going to be adding. 100 more than 386. The hundreds place is the 3. So 100 more, one more set of 100 means that number goes up 1. 486. All right, let's go on to the next page. 10 more than 571. More, adding. 10, this place. One set of 10, that goes up by 1. 581. Right? 10 less. Less means I'm going to go down. I'm going to have a smaller number. 10 less than 333. The tens column is this middle 3. Don't get confused. They're all 3. It doesn't matter. The middle number on this hundreds number, 333, is the tens column. So one set of 10 less is 323. All right. 100 more plus than 604. 100 is that number there. 100 more means it goes up. 704. 100 less. I'm going to go down. There's my 100 spot. 100 less than 592. 492. Okay. One more. My ones digit, not tens, not hundreds, 1. 1 more than 934. Where's my ones column? That one. 1 more than 934 is 935. Ones column again, less than 101. There's my ones column again, equals 100. Now, boys and girls, you know a new language. I know that some of you speak Spanish. I know that some of you speak English. I know that some of you speak other languages. I know so many boys and girls have lots of languages. Did you know that when you do math like this, you are speaking a different language? Less is like subtraction. We're going to move that way. It tells us what to do. Is an equal sign. When I say 10 less than 286, that is like an equal sign. So 10 less than 286 is, my tens column is this number, the 8. So I'm going to go down 276. All right. One more, right? One more than 467. My ones column, don't get tricked by seeing a pattern. 10, 10, 100, 100, 1, 1, 10. Well, they changed. It's not They are not following a pattern. They want you to be able to look at any number that they put here. One more than 467, there's my ones column, is equals 400, and I'm going up 68. All right, you can do this. You can do it. Here we go. 10 more is plus. Then 763 is equals. The tens column is my 6. That digit 6 is in the tens column. There's the ones, there's the tens, there's the hundreds. Keep practicing. More than 763. 10 more is 773. I'm just adding one more set of 10. 100 less than 846. 100 less than 846 equals. Where am I adding? I'm adding one more set of 100. So this is my hundreds place. Sorry, I'm not adding. I'm taking away. See, that's how easy it is to make a mistake. It happens to everybody. 100 less than 846. I go one less than that. That 800s makes us have 700s. And the 46 stays the same. All right, one less than 999. Less than equals. The ones place is this. One less than this is, my 9 stays the same. My 900s stay the same. My 910s stay the same. My 9 1s, I need to have one less. Okay? 100 more than 28. 100 more, there's my plus sign, than 28 equals. Well, don't let this trick you. How many ones do I have? 8. How many tens do I have? 2. How many hundreds do we have? 0. So if I have 0 hundreds and I add one more set of 100, well, then we have 128. Okay? Don't get tricked by numbers that look different. 100 less than 135. Less, we're going to take it away. Is the equal sign. 100, the digit number 1 is in the hundreds place. I take 100 away and I don't have any hundreds, but I still have a 10 spot and a 1 spot. 3 10s, 5 1s. 100 more than 900. Drum roll, please. Plus sign equals 100 more than 900. I have 900s. Now I have 10 hundreds. Well, I can write that 10 hundreds, but what that really is 10 hundreds makes it come up to the next spot, and this is our first time seeing 1,000. Woot, woot. Doing the happy dance. All right. Now, this is a little bit trickier, but let's see if we can work it out. 336 equals, there's my equal sign, something more than 326. So let's see. I have the 3 in the hundreds place. There's a 3 in the hundreds place. I have a 3 in the tens place and a 2 in the tens place. So I know that the number that has moved is my tens place. 336 is 10 more than 326. And more, of course, is our plus sign. All right, I'm running out of time, boys and girls. 542 equals less than 542. The ones column is what we are changing. 542 is 1 less than 543. All right, I'm almost out of time. do the 373 and 374.